Ever found yourself scrambling to get to a bank branch before closing time just to deposit a check? Or maybe you're stuck at home, and that check burning a hole in your pocket is just begging to be deposited. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king, especially when it comes to managing our finances. And when it comes to online banking, one of the most sought-after features is mobile check deposit. So, the question that's on many people's minds is, does Ally Bank, a well-known online banking institution, offer this essential service? Let's dive into the world of digital banking and explore the ins and outs of mobile check deposits with Ally Bank. We'll break down how it works, what you need to know, and whether it's the right fit for your banking needs. First, let's establish why mobile deposits are so important. We live in a world where time is a precious commodity. Traditional banking methods often require us to adhere to strict branch hours, which can be incredibly inconvenient for those with busy schedules. Mobile check deposit eliminates this hassle, allowing you to deposit checks from the comfort of your home, office, or anywhere else with an internet connection. This level of convenience is a major draw for anyone seeking to streamline their financial management. Now, let's focus on Ally Bank. Ally Bank has made a name for itself as a leading online bank, offering a range of financial products and services. Being a digital bank, they understand the importance of providing their customers with easy-to-use digital tools. Therefore, mobile deposit is a feature they provide. Here's a breakdown of how Ally Bank handles mobile check deposits. Ally eCheck Deposit. Ally Bank offers a service called Ally eCheck Deposit, which allows customers to deposit checks remotely using their mobile devices. This feature is accessible through the Ally mobile banking app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. The process. To deposit a check, you simply open the Ally mobile banking app, log into your account, and select the Deposit Checks option. You'll then be prompted to take photos of the front and back of the endorsed check. It is very important that you endorse the back of the check, and it is also advisable to write "for mobile deposit only" under your signature. After the images are taken, you will enter the check amount and then submit the deposit. Key considerations. It's crucial to ensure that the check images are clear and legible. This means taking photos in a well-lit environment and ensuring that all four corners of the check are visible. Ally Bank, like most financial institutions, has specific guidelines regarding the types of checks that can be deposited through mobile deposit. Certain types of checks, such as altered checks or checks payable to someone other than the account holder, may not be accepted. It is always a good idea to check the Ally Bank website or app for the most up-to-date information regarding what types of checks are accepted. Security. Ally Bank employs security measures to protect the integrity of mobile check deposits. This includes encryption technology and other security protocols. As with any mobile banking activity, it's important to take precautions to protect your personal information. This includes using a strong password and keeping your mobile device secure. Funds availability. Like all banks, Ally Bank has funds availability policies. It is important to remember that not all funds will be available immediately. Ally Bank has information available regarding when the funds will be available. Benefits of Ally's mobile deposit. Convenience, deposit checks anytime, anywhere. Time saving, avoid trips to the bank. Accessibility, manage your finances on the go. In today's digital age, mobile banking features are not just a luxury, they're a necessity. And Ally Bank recognizes this, providing its customers with a robust mobile check deposit system. When considering online banking, it's essential to evaluate the features that matter most to you. Mobile check deposit is a significant factor for many, and Ally Bank delivers on this front. Here are some additional points to consider when using mobile check deposit. Check endorsement. Proper check endorsement is crucial. Make sure to sign the back of the check and, as mentioned, it is a good idea to write "for mobile deposit only." This helps prevent fraud and ensures that your deposit is processed correctly. Image quality. The quality of the check images is paramount. Blurry or poorly lit images can lead to deposit delays or rejections. Ensure that the entire check is within the frame and that all text and numbers are clearly visible. Record keeping. After depositing a check, it's advisable to retain the physical check for a certain period. Ally Bank may provide guidance on how long to keep the check. Also, keep records of your mobile deposits within the bank's app. Deposit limits. Banks have deposit limits, and it is important to know what those limits are. Ally Bank does have deposit limits in place. Check the Ally Bank's official resources for current deposit limits. App updates. Keep your Ally mobile banking app up to date. App updates often include security enhancements and feature improvements. In conclusion, yes, Ally Bank does provide mobile deposit capabilities through their Ally eCheck deposit system. This feature adds to the bank's overall digital banking package. This feature allows for a high level of banking convenience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.